Earlier this week, Harry Kane revealed that he became obsessed with proving Arsenal wrong after they released him as a youngster. Well, he's proved them wrong again this afternoon in a stunning performance in the North London derby. Kane, jumping like a salmon in the second half to find the net to make it 7 goals in 7 Premier League appearances against Arsenal, helped his side record of historic win at Wembley. The 24-year-old goal past Petrosech means that he's netted 32 goals in 33 games this season, a record that deserves the world-class label. Arsenal, on the other hand, rarely test